Hi, now is the clip number 5. We're gonna draw the hexagon and all center lines. Um, from the clip number 4, we are using the circle like the tangent, radius, and trim. Okay, but I found that when we are using trim, you see that you have to focus or zoom in to this to check. It says if you already trim that, you delete the part of the big curve out, but if you zoom in, you see that this one here is tangent point, but this line is still here. So you need to trim the line as well. Okay, please see the detail deep. Okay, deeply detail to check the line should be in at the tangent point, not over the tangent point like this. So you have to check and trim it all. Check all point of tangent and make the good trim and circle. Um, then draw the hexagon. Okay, the first hexagon is the, maybe use the red one, 50. You see that this hexagon 50, they measure corner to corner. So to corner means this hexagon um, is inscribed as circle. This one circle touch and press each corner of hexagon. This one is inscribed in circle. Okay, hexagon is in that. So please focus on the eye. But here, then the last hexagon, they are giving by the side to size of dimensions. Here is the, if we draw a circle, do you remember? It's maybe the plate number 1, number 2, number 3. Allow that. We draw this hexagon by hand, and then we make it from circle. So here's hexagons, circumscribed, scribed circle, allow circle. Okay, difference. It's different. So makes this one is C. So you see that I and C. So you're gonna use that in the AutoCAD. So back to AutoCAD. This one is by circle 50 of diameter and by 30 of diameter. Okay, first here use type polygon or check here polygon, and then enter the number of size. Hexagon is 6. Okay, 6, and enter, and specify center point of here. Okay, you move your cursor past the circle and you can, okay, see the suggestion of center point. You cannot see the suggestion, please on this one. Okay, this time you see inscribe it in circle or circumscribe it allow circle. This one is inscribe it allow in circle, inscribe it in circle. So we use I. You can type I or you click here I. Okay, right, like this. So maybe I recommend you Please see the alignment first. It's look like this, right? These alignments. So corner to corner is in horizontal. So you have to, maybe you make to fix here first. Okay, by maybe you move is not really like that. Maybe this alignment, and after that you enter the radius is, the diameter is 50, so the radius is 25. All right, and you check you got the same or not. All right, and then polygon again for this size, and number 6 for hexagon, and specify the center. This time circumscribe about circle, right? See the alignments by this corner to corner in vertical, by this. All right, and radius is 15. Oof, they're not in the alignment, so we can rotate. Okay, we can rotate. So type rotate like this. Okay, or click here, rotate this object, select object, enter center of rotation. So you can rotate by manually move like this and click or enter the um, angle. So I should enter 90. Okay, like this. So now are the same. So back to the command list. We did number 7, uh, polygons and rotation. Polygon is 6 for hexagon, and then we took the inscriber circle, and circumscribe circle. This one is not rotation, actually is rotate. All right, come back here. We're gonna make this center line. Okay, center line of each circle. So you change the line type to be center line. Okay, center line, right? And then you go to, maybe we can draw the line of each center line, but we have something can help us. You go to annotate tab and go to center mark, click center marks, and then here the one of center line, they represent the small circle and bigger circle. So we click in the bigger circle to cover all, like this. Okay, very easy, and continue to this. Okay, really easy for center line. Maybe finish. How about if we click here? It is maybe center point that we don't use, because this curve made from the tangent and tangent, not from the center point. So maybe I have to click it again so you can see it again. Okay, and enter. So you see that is center line. So one trick, we can change the scale of the center line as well by going home tab, and you see this one, property, and you click here. They have the window of property. The window is pop up, but we can manage the press of the window by moving, and move to this edge. so it can be fixed on the left like this. So how to change the property? For example, it's at the center line. I click the center line. So this should, the property of center line appear here. And then I change the line type scale from default is 1 that I show you example. I change this 0.5, a small center line, okay? So it look like we subdivide more center line. So I give the 0.1. It's like this, more small. If I use 10, it's not change, maybe it's same as 1. Okay, so you can change the property. But now this out center line is quite okay. The small dash at the center and long over the circumference. Okay, you check all of center point and finish. Okay, this clip video finish. Next clip video we're gonna guide you to give dimension. All right, and save first. Okay, see you next clip video.